Good afternoon, morning, evening, or wherever you're at in the world, whatever time it is. Thank you for joining me for some live stream day trading of some altcoins and cryptos. Looks like everything's still hot. Market still looks like it's moving on up. I'm going to be trading on Coinbase Pro, and I'll be looking at charts for on TradingView because Coinbase Pro's charts are just garbage. So I got a little bit to play here with. Let's see what's going on. I've been busy all day, so I haven't had a chance yet to check and see what we got going on in the market. See, Ether's up to 3,500. Breaking out right now, actually. Let's pull Ether up on the chart. Yeah, so Ether has broken. Ether has broken over that resistance and that downtrend. We can move this downtrend now at this point. Something going on with the live stream. You guys seeing me? Is there a delay or something? Are we good? Let me know. Let me know if something's going on, because it's a new channel and my settings are already set up on the other channel, but I didn't even think about setting the live stream channel or live stream settings up for this channel. I probably should have, but I'm not seeing anything in chat or anything right now, so I don't know. I see there's a couple of you in here right now. So let me know. Let me refresh real quick. Let me make sure. Ah, there we go. Now I'm seeing the chat. There we go. Well, we got One Life and Elvis in here. That's what I'm talking about. I don't know yet. I just kind of wait and see. I look through the patterns and see if I see any patterns, anything in a dip buy. So, like right now, Ether is building support at this 3,500 area. This might be a decent entry if it continues to hold and possibly see it come up and break that downtrend. We're kind of getting. Are y'all still talking right now? Let me make sure. So I reset it again. So I'm seeing, the last thing I see is everything is fine. I know One Life just messaged me. We gotta get it worked out. It's the first time, well, it's the second time live streaming on this channel, but it seems like there may be a delay between me and you guys. But anyway, if there is, Are you still talking, One Life? Let me know. Message me so we can make good. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now I see good evening crypto head, so we must be good. But yeah, Ether could be a possible play. But I'm gonna look around here and see. It's testing this 3,500 now. What am I on? That's the day chart. Yeah. So let's see. EOS has been running up 31. Woo! Okay, let's check EOS. See if we got any pattern on the 5-minute. Yeah, we got a flag on the 5-minute. A little flaggy there. I'm actually gonna jump in, I think. Yeah, that's close enough to the trend line. I'm gonna jump in this. Let's go 500 of them. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. So let's pop this to the 1-minute chart, see where we can get in at. Yeah, bam. And then, so I'm in 1150. It needs to break over 1150 right here. We got a little cup and handle on the, what are we on? The 1-minute chart. This is a cup and handle. So we should start to see a breakout here, maybe up to this 1175. But I'm going to get a sell order ready. So that way, in case it starts turning around on us here. Because I got what? I've got 40 of them, so it just dropped 5 cents. So that's risking about 20 bucks right there. So let's see if it can break this cup and handle. If it drops 42, 7 cents. Yeah, I'm actually going to put a stop loss in on this. Stop price 11. Let's see what I'm in at, 49. So we'll do 39, 10 cent stop loss. Bam. So we got the stop loss in there. Well, that's a 20. What did I do the price at? Hold on. 11.30. Now we're starting to curl over, so we didn't break that 50 cents. So actually, I may have to get out here. See, I'm going to shrink this, put this over here real quick. No, stop right there. See where we on. The 5 minute there. EOS. And now I'm actually going to hold this. Let's see. The trend line's down at 11.28. I may add some here. Because we're actually getting to the tip of this triangle. This should bounce here in a minute. If we should get back over 11.50 unless this gives up. It could give up on the trend line right here. So we need to see it hold 11.28, 11.30, something like that. There must be a delay from the chat to the feed. Well, damn. That's what I was worried about. Let me see if I can fix that. Yeah, so see, we are building a little higher low right there. So buyers did start buying it up off of this 11.30 area. We're getting a little bit of support through there. If that can continue to hold up and this candle can turn, okay, well, just close there, hold it up. Okay. Yeah, I kind of want to add. Why does Coinbase saying I have no orders? Wasn't it EOS? What's happening here? It's not saying I have any EOS. What the hell happened? I must have accidentally, maybe that stop loss got hit or something. I thought I took it out. Okay, I don't know what I just did. What's up, Daniel M? I think, I don't know what I must have accidentally hit sell because I don't know. I was fucking with those orders and I don't know what I did there. But if it starts to break 11.50, I am going to go again. Because that kind of was dumb. I might wait for see. Yeah, I'm going. I'm going again. So I am in again. Yeah, I do have 52 EOS. Just looking back to see what happened. Here we go. We're starting to test that 11.50. Let's see if we can get this break here. If we get this break, we should see it up to 11.75. That'd be 25 cents a share times 50. Well, that's not really much. Shit, where'd my trading view go? There's trading view. The triangle's at 11.87, so we need to get to 11. Need to break this. There's a lot of resistance right here. This downtrend and a 12. So we could see it up to 12 if it breaks 1150 here. It's still struggling down here, if you guys can see that at the bottom. I'm in EOS right now. Just bought at this break right here. I'm in 1149 and it's at 1150. Little glitch there, but it looks like we're okay. But it's tested, this 1150 was support back here, and then it came down and cracked that, and it's made these higher lows. This is a triangle right here. It's the triangle I was looking at on TradingView. So I'm looking for this consolidation to break upward because EOS has been hot. So looking at TradingView, though, it looks like there is a lot of resistance ahead in that $12 area. So we need to see that $12 area break, because it could get held up at this 1175, 1180 if it doesn't break the trend line this time. But it did break back here. So, I mean, this is a pretty nice looking triangle. I think we're going to get a breakout. I mean, it has been running, but this is some pretty good consolidation. So let's pop back over there so I can keep an eye on where it's at. So there we go. We broke 1150. Now running up to 1160. Cyberpunk V2. Where can I buy Cyberpunk V2 at? I don't even know what that... Like, I know I can't buy that on Coinbase, I don't think, or Coinbase Pro. So I'm up 10 cents right now. I could lock this out. It'd be $5, but it cost me $1.78 to get in, so I don't want to lock that out. I gotta pay the fees, so I need it to run another 10 cents to at least make $5. But I'm trying. If it can break 12, this thing could run a couple of dollars. Because yesterday, or was it? Yeah, I think it was yesterday. It broke out pretty big. As you can see, we're all the way up the. We're not even caught. The time in sales is higher than what the chart pattern is showing right now. Showing it's at 1070. Let me refresh this. Oh yeah, or 1170. I'm sorry. So yeah, so up 20 cents now. So let's see. Let's pull TradingView back. So like I said, this 1175 is the 1180 area, and then 12 is going to be the big areas. We're going to need a break here. What's up, Elvis? How's it going, buddy? Yeah, always smash that like button. Got to teach that YouTube algorithm a lesson. So it looks like we're gonna. This is a nice looking candle here. Looks like we're gonna test for 1180. If this yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Keep pushing up like that. Yeah, there we go. Keep pushing. Let's see a bunch of buying volume. Let's see a slide up green right here, and let's go over to 1180. Up 25 cents right now. A share or token, whatever. I think I'm going to lock a little bit out just in case. Just in case it does come back down. So there I locked 20 out at 1167. So a little profit there. That fee was only 81 cents, so not a big deal. And I'm going to hold this last 32 as long as it's going to go. It's up to you now, baby EOS. It's up to you. Whatever you want to do. If you want to go, you go. If you start coming back down near my entry, I'll hop out and take it for what it is. Yeah, on the white chart, that's what I was saying. It looks like it's going to break out of this triangle. This is the 5-minute chart. This is a beautiful triangle. And we hit a high when it had this fake out breakout a little while ago. That was, I don't know what time. It got all the way up to 1286. So I'm looking for it to break this right out of this triangle and make a new high up to 13. That's what I'm looking for, but I don't know if it'll get up there or not. We'll see. Volume's a little light right now, but it is getting later. About Usually around dinner time, right about this time, it does start to get a little warm. Things start to heat up. And we may see that here on EOS possibly. But either way, I mean, if you just went, if you just went and bought a thousand EOS, which would of course be 11,000, you could have got 30, what is that, 30 cents there? 25 cents? That'd be like $250 on 25 tokens, or whatever math I just did. I don't know. I'm not sure if there's a delay or not either. If there is, next time I will fix it. But I mean, if all of you start to notice the delay, just let me know and I'll see if I can fix it. Yes, it is live, Daniel B. Welcome to Crypto World, Daniel B. Let me get this white chart back up here. Come on. Well, actually, I'll just do it like I was doing it. Come back. I'll just look at it. I can see it from here. If I need to switch back really quick. Now, we should have some good support right across here. The 1150 area, that was pretty tough resistance. So that's what we want to see hold up now is 1150, and we could see 1150, and we want one more little curl like off of this 1150 area, and then boom, big explosion. That's what we're looking for. Because once we get to about right here on this chart, it's either going to explode up or it's going to start selling off. But we got time to chill out here and relax and let it go. So we're just going to ride it out. Like I said, I already locked in 20 of those tokens. There we go, back up to 1175 already. Let's see this 1180 break. Come on, EOS, show me the frisk. Show me the frisk. We are hitting some hard resistance right here. Still going though. Beautiful rip. Beautiful, beautiful rip. We're at the top of this triangle testing. If we get some more buying volume, we see this start lighting up green, we might see this rip over $12. Let's see if that volume keeps coming in. People want to keep buying? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Let's break 12. Come on. Show me the frisk and break 12. Go nuts. Go nuts. Do it. This is Coinbase Pro. Guys, I'm going to lock out another 20 right there. I'm going to lock out 20 and keep 12 left. I'm going to let this last 12 ride. But that was what was that? What we just do there? I got it at 1050. We're breaking 12. Let's go over 12. Why not? Why not, EOS? Just keep rolling. There we go. Break over 12. Break over 12. Where was the high out on the trading view chart? Let's see. We broke both of those. So the past high was 1286. We may see this up to 13, but either way, beautiful, beautiful rip. Getting in there at the trend line at that 1149 area, rip up to 1250. Not too bad. Or 1209 something. I don't know. I'm excited. I'm happy. It's a good day. It's a good day. Yeah, 1149. So I'm up what? Locked out part of it. Still got a little bit left. We're still ripping. I mean, we just broke this triangle hard, so I'm expecting this to keep climbing right here. There we go. Keep going. Looks like tulip bulbs going on. Looks like somebody's making money. Talking all that trash in the morning live streams. You don't even know what I do at nights. I'm Batman. And also, guys, I'm usually this hype all the time, but in the mornings, I'm not as hyped because it's early and I just woke up. So you're getting a live me when I'm fired up. I was already fired up before this, and I was doing crypto charts earlier, whatnot. But yeah, this is, it works. What we got here? 12 left. I'm holding it. I'm holding this last 12 as long as it holds over 12. But I think we're good. I think we'll try to push for a new high. Well, we need to hold above 12 for sure. If we can hold above 12, then we can see this push back up. We need to consolidate a little bit more and confirm this breakout. So maybe the 5-minute candle this guy holds here, and then the next 5-minute we get the push up. That's what I'm looking for right there on this short-term chart. Yeah, that is true, Andrew, Daniel B. You're right. Andrea is home in the mornings, and I can't be as loud. So, but no, I'm in a great mood today, guys. Everything's been going good for me lately. I'm just happy to be with you guys in the community trading. I'm glad a bunch of you came over from the other channel to join me here. Very exciting, and we're breaking out some more. I like it. I like it. And you guys literally sit here, the two of you who were here at the start of the stream, I literally just started looking at charts and picked EOS out, saw the triangle, and jumped in it. You know, I did have a little stumble there at the beginning with my first orders, but that's the great thing about cryptos. You can trade them as much as you want 24/7. And there is always rips to be found, just like this. We're looking good. We're gonna break new highs here. We're gonna break over 13 in a few minutes. We're looking pretty good. We're consolidating. Well, then now that candle doesn't look pretty. Maybe let's see. Well, it just closed. That closed. It's okay. That's an okay candle. Yeah, there's not any resistance right here. There's no reason for this to get held up in this area. As a little bit at 1236, but I mean, if we get up to 1250, I think we break for a new high. I mean, whoa, don't leave. I need that up. Well, I've only got 12 left anyway, so I'm not riding too much money out of this, but oh, I was right about Robinhood. Oh yeah, man. See, that's what I was saying, man. That's why I always tell people, man, Robinhood sucks. It's garbage. Don't use it. I don't care if you're a new trader and you like it and you think it's easy to use. It's not worth it because you will get caught up in some dumb trade and your phone or Robinhood or whatever will freeze up or whatever. I've heard nothing but terrible things about Robinhood. I've never used it, but when it first came out, I just looked at it and I was like, oh God. I was like, this is going to be a disaster. That's why I always say the first one is not always the best one. Robinhood came out first with the free commissions and then Webull came out. And I love Webull's app for long-term investing. Like, it gives me all the information I need and research to do all the stuff I do. My wife's texting me here. So, yeah, it's not worth it to use Robinhood. It just isn't. I mean, Coinbase Pro, you have a lot of selection of coins. I don't know if you can see it. No, it's behind me, but let's see if I pull it up if you guys can see that. No, you can't really see that on the screen. I'm up a whole dollar, almost a token, Daniel B, a coin or whatever you want to call it. I don't know what I made because that's one of the things with the Coinbase Pro. It doesn't tell you. You have to do the math. So I'm not exactly sure how much I made. All I know is that I bought at 1140. I actually got 7 of them at 1148. But I averaged 1149. I sold 20 at 1167. Sold 20 at 12 at 1195, and I'm still holding 12. So I have no idea how much I made. It's probably like $30 that I'm getting excited about. But who cares? You know, it's money. It's good money. It's easy money, and I can go do this, and you can do this all day. And look at this. We're about to break out again. We got a little bull flag right here. It's about to break out again. We're about to push for that new high. Here it comes. Here it comes. And we're at least going to test 1250. That's what I'm talking about. Keep going, baby. Let's go. Up to that 1250. Come on. You're almost there. You're almost there. We got to test that 1250. Oh, it's still getting hung up, but it looks like it's going to go still. I think we still got a little bit more. If we don't, like I said, I've already locked out most of my profit anyway, so I don't even care at this point. This last 12 is just let it. I'm just letting it ride. But look at that beautiful spike though on this triangle. That is just beautiful. Bounce right off that trend line all the way up to 1240, straight up. Just a beautiful dollar, a dollar move so far. Getting close to breaking over a whole dollar move. If we break for new highs, it'll be about $2 move. Yeah, ooh, here we go. Let's see this light up a green with 1250s. Here it comes. Oh, getting real close. Let's see them just a little bit higher. Up there they come. The buyers are starting to creep in. Look at the buyers. Every time the buyers are going up right there. We're up to 1243. Let's see some 1245s. 1248. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Look at the buyers. Look at the buyers pouring in. Here they come. Woo! Look at all the buyers. Look at all the green buyers just to pouring in this right now. Come on, let's see 1250. Can I get a 1250 on a little bit of the 1250 right there on the screen? Come on with a 1250. 1249. I'm seeing 1249. Can I get a 1250? I'm trading on guessing? What do you mean I'm trading on guessing? I traded a triangle breakout. The same thing that I trade on stocks all the time. I traded the same exact strategy. And I'm not guessing. I'm sitting here calling the price action on the time and sales. All I got to do is, this is literally the buys and the sells. The red is the sells, the green is the buy, just like the regular time and sales. So I can see what's coming in, and if the prices are moving up, then obviously the price is going to keep going up. There's even little arrows that show you, Daniel B. It's not that complicated. See, we're going up right now because people are buying it. That's all I need to know. And we got a 1250. Let's see the 1250 breakout. So Daniel B can feel even better about himself. Well, come on, let's go, EOS. Let's break this 1250, make a new high at 13. Well, when you can trade 24/7 as much as you want, Daniel B, if you trade 100 times a day and you make $30, that's $3,000, man. So I don't, like, your disses do not work here in the crypto world, my friend. You are powerless here. Just sit back, relax, and watch the money pile up. I don't need to know how much I made. All I know is I'm making money. Who cares? What are you talking about? I'm up. I got 12 shares of this up still $1.50. I know I at least made 14, 15 bucks so far. At least. I don't know what the rest of it I locked in at, but I mean, you can talk crazy all you want. Doesn't matter. I'm trading pure supply and demand, like I've been telling you guys in the live streams in the morning on the other channel. I'm using crypto, I'm using chart analysis, and just pure price action, supply and demand. And this little thing right here tells me all I need to know about the prices and which way it's going to start going, because it even has little arrows that show you, in case you didn't know. And then I'm using TradingView for my charting, because Coinbase Pro's charting sucks. So now we may actually, this may be it for now. It may have to consolidate some more in this area, and then we could possibly see it break out. Unless it breaks out again right here, unless it jumps over 1250 on these next two candles. We are starting to curl a little bit. I may take it here. I may take it. Well, let's see. Hold on. If this makes a U shape, then we're going to break over 1250. If it starts to make a U shape up to 1250, I'm walking away. I'm not even going to watch it. I'm gonna walk away because I know it's going to go to 13 if it breaks 1250. Let's see. Let's see if it starts forming this U shape. Yeah, TradingView has a mobile app as well. It's pretty good charting. I mean, I would prefer to be on Thinkorswim, but let's see, 1225, that support needs to hold there. Let's see if buyers coming in. Yep, buyers are coming in. Ugh. Got the dry mouth, man. I've been talking so much. This is the second live stream today, and I've recorded 2 other videos. So I've been a busy boy. It's 11:20 or 12:25, starting to crack. We're starting to curl over. I'm gonna go ahead and take the rest of it here at 12:21, and I'm out of here. We'll see ya. Little nice trade there on EOS. What? What are you talking about, One Life? I don't understand what you're talking about. The coins equal. I'm very confused right now. So it may try to hold up. I don't think I want to go on it again here because I don't like this curl. Let's look on the chart real quick and make sure. Oh, did I close my trading view? I think I did. Oh. Well, poop. That's not what I want. Don't look at that. All right, I've calmed myself down now. I was getting a little crazy there. I apologize for the craziness, but I get excited. I love trading anything, and cryptos are just so fun to trade. They're so explosive. When they go, they just go. But yeah, it does look like maybe the triangle top is more like this, possibly. Or actually, it may be flat across. It's something like that. It just needs to break over 1250. That's all I know. It breaks over 1250, we'll see 13. But right now, it just got bought up. Come on, Coinbase. Yeah, getting bought up here off 1225. I don't know. It may rip right here. It's going to test 1250 right here. I think it needs one more candle though. If it just breaks through right here, that'll be a crazy rip because I mean that's straight up 25 cents off that one candle. See, right there. You could have just, if you had 1,000 of these coins, you would have made $250 right there off of that 1225 bounce to 1250 in a split second. You could have made $250. You sat around all morning, Daniel B, losing your $400 on your stock, waiting for it to do something, and you could have made more money trading a crypto in literally seconds. No, it doesn't show P&L. It just shows the orders. So I can see my buys and what price I bought them at and the fees, and then I can see the sales. So even if I go to portfolio, it's not gonna show it. I don't think my wallet number's on here. No. So yeah, because I'm out of it, it doesn't show me anything. It's not. That's what I said. It's not the greatest thing in the world, but it works. Yeah. See, it doesn't show me. It tells me my fees. So I don't know. I always have to add it up. So I'll just sit here and trade cryptos for a couple of hours, and I'll just add up everything at the end. I mean, I could do it right now with a calculator, but Oh, somehow I'm on Bitcoin. Bitcoin just cracked out of a triangle. Oh yeah, EOS is looking pretty good still. I don't know, it still could curl over here. I'm not sure. Did I call them? I might have called the coin shares. I mean, I'm used to calling stock shares. I've been trading stocks for 7 years, so that's a possibility. Why are you concerned with what I made, Daniel B? What I made is irrelevant. It doesn't teach you anything. All you need to know is that we just played a stock, or not a stock, but a coin. See, that's going to happen a lot. That's natural to me for me to say stock. I say that every day in the live streams. But you got, like, I don't care about exactly how much I made. I know I made profit. The fees were only 50 cents, 83 cents, 80 cents, and then $2. So you got about $4 in fees there. Well, I know for sure I made $4 because I made $12 on that last, actually 15 or 16, probably on that last 12 shares I sold, or 12 coins I sold at 12.29 or whatever that last fill was, 12.21 when it had that little dip. So now we got a little bit of a double top. It needs to curl up right now and break 12.50. If it don't start curling up, it's going to drop back down. We're starting to get a McDonald's arch, and if you see a McDonald's arch, you don't want those problems. So right now, as long as it holds up 12.25, still it's fine. But if it starts cracking that, and if it cracks below 12.17, it's going to drop even more. The fee, I mean, I don't know. Figure out the fee. I spent $500 or $600 and I paid $4 or $5 in fees. It's not, I mean, it's cheaper than Thinkorswim used to be when Thinkorswim had fees for stocks. I'm celebrating, Daniel B, because the whole community can learn from this and get $1.50 runs on tokens and coins. It's not about me. You try to make everything about me. It's not about me. Just because my face is on here doesn't mean it's about me. It's about you guys. It's about the community. You're so stubborn and selfish, you don't even think about that. You just want to be a troll towards me. I don't care. You can troll me all you want. It doesn't bother me one bit. I love it. But this community, they can learn. I can learn from them. That's why I'm bringing people onto the channel and making new channels and building all this stuff up. It's because I want to build a great community. So I don't know why you have such a hard-on for me for, but I'm not it. I'm not the one that is I'm not the star here. The community is the star. You guys are the celebrities, not me. I'm not a celebrity. I don't do anything. I just sit here and trade stocks and cryptos. I'm just a guy. You guys are the ones that have pushed me up here to where I'm at with these, with the subscribers and multiple channels. Like, without you guys, I'm nothing. So why would I even take a minute to think that I'm some special celebrity or make it about me? It's not about me at all. So, I may have not made anything but $30-$50, but somebody else who might have learned the triangle breakout strategy could have just made $250 or, anything. They could have made a nice profit right here on this one token. And there's plenty of other tokens I could go to and probably find other trades. Yeah, look, Maker just broke out. Little break there on Maker. Told you, right around this time, it usually gets kind of hot. That's kind of ugly. So I'm looking for this one specific coin. It has a very low supply, circulating supply. CGLD, here it is. Yeah, so this is a good one And actually, this may be a potential play right now. Let's see. It's not a bad area. It's a little bit of support right there if at 539. If 539 could hold up. See, we're on the 5 minute. Let me go to the 4 hour. I can't remember what the chart looks like on the 4 hour. Oh, yeah. Let's get rid of some of these lines. I see something on the 4 hour very interesting. Come here. Come here, you. Let's delete you right here. Bam. There it is. That's what I was looking at. Oh, actually, let me delete that one too. So that literally on the 5 minute, well, that's the 4 hour, but CGLD, big triangle on the 4 hour of consolidation. 540, you do have a little support. Well, it's either going to be support or resistance. Kind of smack dab in the middle there. It's trying to hold up now. I'd say break over 550. This might start to run. What's the volume on CGLD today? Seems like it's moving kind of slow, but it doesn't take a lot of buy-in to move this one. So well, that's not bad. I mean, 2.5 million in new, 2.5 million of CGLD traded today. So that's pretty good volume. That's a lot. That's a lot of tokens traded. It's holding some really. It's trying to hold this strong support right here at this 538 area. I'm gonna give it a second and let it curl over and see. John Lean hogs the door. No, you can't. Yeah, Webull has free crypto trading, but you only have Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash. I think it's Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin Wrapped, one of those, and then Dogecoin. So it is free trading, but you only have a choice of like 5 coins. Voyager is free trading, but there's a waiting list. I like Voyager a lot, but it's only a phone app. If you really want to get deep into it, you really want to get real deep, you can go into these decentralized. Go to Google, not Yahoo. I hate that does that. But there's plenty of decentralized exchanges out there. Like here's Pancake Swap. So let's see, what is their fees? See, there's a bunch of selection on Pancake Swap, but there's no charts or anything on this. Or at least I don't know. There's a bunch of these different ones. Sushi Swap is another. There's a bunch of exchanges. I'm trying to think. Liam was telling me some, and I think somebody was telling me in chat in one of the live streams about some. I know Uniswap is a big one, but Uniswap is eh. I tried Uniswap, but the fees were so ridiculous. Okay, that's weird. Is that the right Uniswap? Did I spell Uniswap right? I don't know, but there's a bunch of different decentralized exchanges, and let's see. Somebody was saying Binance.us. I think that was Jamie this morning, or yeah, wasn't that Jamie saying that? So this is Binance, but you have to. Oh, well, you can go right on this app right here on Binance.us. Those are way better charts too. Damn, Jamie was right about. Wonder what the selection of coins are. Let's see. Here we go. About as much as what do you call it? Coinbase Pro. I see a lot of the same names on here, but there is some other ones that aren't on Coinbase Pro, and there's some on Coinbase Pro that's not on here. So it's the same thing. You still got to use multiple platforms, but yeah, this looks like a pretty good platform. I thought you couldn't use it in the U.S., but maybe they changed it. I don't know. But there's a lot of them. I don't know. Oh, damn, Daniel M., it was you. Sorry, man. I knew it was somebody. I have a Webull setup on Webull. Or a trading setup on Webull for the desktop. A video on it. One Life already. VeChain is on Binance. Well, VeChain is on Voyager too, so that's probably why I don't have Binance, is because between Voyager and Coinbase Pro, I pretty much have a lot of coins to choose from, because Voyager has some that I've not seen anybody else have, like StormX and BitTorrent and some of that. So I'm invested in VeChain. I've been holding VeChain for a while. All right, guys. I've got to get rolling here. I'll try to do more of these crypto streams and do them a little bit longer. I was running late today because of everything else going on, but we got a little quick profit in there. I'll try to get some consistency to these live streams too, like what we have with the other channel. But it's just, with cryptos, though, the good thing is I could do these live streams any time of day when I do have free time. But around this time, this 7 o'clock time, that's the time I've been noticing is a really good time to start trading. Yeah, Binance has fees. Well, Daniel M., when you get that crypto trading bot, you let me know. Let me know, man. We'll get some things going with that. I'm pretty sure that's the same as Coinbase Pro as the 0.1. Because it wasn't that much. CGLD does look a little light on volume at the moment. So it may not break out. How's EOS doing? It may be consolidating. Let's see if we can load up here. Yeah, so see, that's what I was talking about, that double top. You started to get that McDonald's arch. If it could have kept going right there and made like a little handle for a cup possibly, then it could have broke that 1250, but it never did. It got right there at 1238 and dropped back down. So now as soon as the direction changes, we're no longer moving up. We're starting to downtrend. So until that downtrend breaks, which it kind of, well, no, it's kind of testing it now, but it's a good rip on EOS. I'm happy about it. Yeah, it's going. It's kind of going sideways, but I wouldn't touch it right now. I mean, there is some support back here at this $12 area, so it could have been a good possible bounce, but still at this moment it's still sketchy. But I gotta get going, guys. Like I said, we'll do more of these. We'll get this channel going to it. The cryptos. I really enjoy trading cryptos. I have a blast. You want to do anti-crypto videos on my channel? Sadly, I don't think anybody would want to watch that, Daniel B. Nobody would. Everybody else would be too busy making money trading cryptos while you're complaining about them on the internet. So probably not the best market to target. I don't think there's a market for people who want to hear anti-crypto stuff. uh, if I had time, I would. If I had time, I really would. I would try to make another couple of trades, but I am short on time, so I do got to get going. Well, like I said, we'll try to do it more, and I'll try to have longer streams on this one too. Like we'll do the stock trading at 2 hours a day, whatever, in the morning, and then 2 hours in the evening at some point. We'll do the live stream trading over here on the cryptos because. I mean, I never have to worry about my funds. I can trade as much as I want over here. That's why I like it, because I can take shots and, I can take multiple shots. So if I do get a loss, I have if I keep my stop losses real tight on these, then if I get stopped out, it's like, okay, whatever. Now let's look for the next play. And then you can just get back in at a lower price and get the rip or whatever. So like the option that it's like having access to a cash account where you can trade as much as you want to me is amazing. I'm exhausted too. Appreciate everybody joining me as always. If you haven't yet, teach that dirty algorithm a lesson. Punch it right in the like button. We will be back tomorrow on the Framework Fortune home channel for some more live day trading. I'm going to come in there and I'm going to knock your socks off in the morning, Daniel B, with some great trading. You guys have a great rest of your night. Until next time.